And Mr. Jonas, don't forget to send us yesterday's recordings as well.
Working on that also.
All right, that's good.
So, okay. So once again, welcome to Latitude Nation. What we are doing here is creating freedom. We are giving each and everyone a solid education platform that is built up upon modules. So it's a simple and easy learning platform that gives us a high level of education, almost like university of our business. Cryptocurrency, real estate, commodities, many other topics inside this business of creating wealth management. And this is exactly what I think most of the people want to see out there when they want to perform and create a financially free or independent life. So it's an education in combination with wealth management. And you are the one creating the wealth management, and we are the ones giving you the keys to be able to do that. And the way we are doing it is a very simple and easy to understand, but extremely powerful. And this is thanks to David L. Dibb, the founder of Laetitude, and thanks to mentors like Udo, like me, like many others, that can teach you and guide you in the way of creating financial independence. Of course, all of us, we need to read through the disclaimer. This is very important for each and everyone to understand that we are not financial advisors. We are giving you information about how you can use the benefits of the education part in Laetitude. We are not giving you any whatsoever investment advices and none whatsoever advices of what you should do. We are not asking you to buy anything. We are just providing you information. All the information and all the statistics and data, what we are showing you, is based on previous results and gives none whatsoever guarantee of future results. So please read through this disclaimer carefully and bear it with you and keep it as your fundamental theme when you are presenting for other people. Remind this what's written in here. So the concept and the wallet. The concept of education is through the learning platform from Laetitude. Swapo is delivering to us the wallet that makes it very simple, very easy and efficient for us to maneuver inside this concept. So what is it that we really need and what is it that we want? If we look on the wants first, we want security. We want to have wealth or create wealth. We want to have freedom. We want to have stability. But most of all, I think we want time. And what can money buy us? It can't buy us time, but education can give us time because we can take more wise decisions and we can act more efficiently, and that can give us more time. But what do we need to come into these parts, come into the wealth, to the freedom, get more time, to have stability and security? We need education. Everyone needs education every single day. That's why those who are crazy rich, those who are already very successful, the people that we look at and say, oh, I want to be like him or her, they know the key of education. The knowledge, what they carry with them, this is what they are sharing with us. So if we listen to the people that are really crazy wealthy, then probably we can catch a key or two, how to proceed further. The awareness of the market that we are working in. Pay attention to what's going on the world market and create understanding for that. That gives us a huge benefit to come further in our own progress. So what Laetitude is offering to us through the education program is learning modules, which means that we are giving you a short text and a video each and every single day that you can take when you go out, take a cigarette, you maybe go out, take a 5-minute break from your work. This is the times where you can look at these education parts. It's very efficient because it's so short. It's just a few minutes and a short video, and you can always go back to this. And that creates something called daily knowledge, which means that you listen to it once, twice, 5 times, 10 times, and in the same time, it creates a foundation of knowledge inside of you. It gives you market awareness, and it also gives you the keys to create your own wealth management. And in that, you can also create time management. Through our dear partner, we have an exclusive user rights for all the people in Laetitude to use the benefits from Swapo. With the robot trading and the API connection, meaning that you don't send your assets to no one. You keep it with you 100% in your control always. That gives the API connection. It gives Swapo the possibility to place trades for you and create profits for you. It has a proven track record. It gives you security and a lot of freedom because you don't need to know exactly how to trade, what to do when you are trading, what you need to think about, what is the rabbit holes, what is the dangerous parts, which currency pairs should you choose. This developed software is doing that for you. So it's very simple and easy. And step by step, you will also learn. So the education parts comes in 3 different packages. It's Founder Special, Business Pro, and Business. The difference between these packages is, of course, the education platform. So if you're really hungry to get a lot of education, which means that the more education you have, the more benefits you can also create. So if you start on the $500 package, you can also see that you get the membership, you get back office access, 24/7 support, you get the basic tools and the crypto tools, but you don't get some more of the educations. And you also do not get all the future tools. You can trade up to $5,000 in this package, which means that it goes pretty quick if you are serious in the trading. So maybe you should look on the next package. The annual fee for this package is $148. So after the first year, it will cost you $148 on the second, third, 5, 10, 25 years ahead. The Business Pro package for $1,200 gives you also membership, back office access, 24/7 support, basic tools, crypto tools, commodities, and real estate. It doesn't give you all the future tools coming. It doesn't give you the 5-star rank for 6 months, but it gives you the access to trade through the robots in Swapo. You can trade up to 12,000 in this, and the annual fee for this after the first year is $289. The Founder Special is the package that we really recommend to everyone. Why? It contains everything. It gives you all the different education platforms, plus all future tools. It gives you also the 5-star rank for 6 months, and you can trade up to 50,000. So when you are compounding your trade, this is the part where you have somewhere where you can really build something big up. The annual fee after 1 year is $888. And if you look at this and you look on different learning platforms out there, not all of them are even close to this small amounts what we are giving out to you here, because these packages is really invaluable in the education part. And also together with that, we have the full access to 6 robots from Swapo. This is something you don't get when you take another e-learning platform. The benefits or the best things with Swapo is the crypto wallet and of course the trading bots. the trading bots, what they are offering us is really, really efficient and very transparent from their side. What I can say after almost 10 years in cryptocurrency market, I haven't seen anyone on the market that shows this transparency. It gives us a crypto wallet and an app downloadable to our phone. So you are always having your business with you, because even if you don't go out with your computer or your tablet, your phone is always with you. Gives us access to 6 different trading robots with a track record history over years. Proven history where we can see that these robots have created profits and losses, but over time, constantly profit. It gives us a lot of transparency because they show everything on their website. It's very fast, it's reliable, and extremely safe. Why? Through the API connection. So you and only you have access to your assets. Why Swapo then? The crypto wallet and the trading bots combined in one single place. Easy to access, easy to reach. It's reliable, it's fast, precise, and 65% of all the profits that is generated stays with you. 35% with the high watermark is what we are paying to Swapo because they are generating for us profit. Been active for 3 years. It's automated trading, which means I don't need to have so much knowledge about how this trading is working. I just can go in and look on my BitMEX account each and every day and see the movements. The assets, again, are always in the customer's control. Swapo and Laetitude never touch your money. The API trading is always on your wallet, and that creates also security for you. What is Bitcoin? Most likely I don't need to tell you, but it's the first cryptocurrency that came to the world market with a limited supply of 21 million coins. That is the total amount of Bitcoins that can be produced. The production until today is just about over 19 million. So it's not so many left, but it will take quite a while before all of them is out there on the market. Released to the global market 2009 with a coin value only 10 cents of the dollar. If we look today, it's plus 40,000. That is kind of impressive, if we say like that. 12 years on the world market, it makes a gazillion of percentage of increase of value. It gives us also usability, security, possibilities, and privacy. Because when you hold your Bitcoins, it's yours. No one can take them from you. It has a growing value and growing acceptance on the world market also. And that is also something that creates more and more awareness on the global market for cryptocurrencies. The exchange that we are using is BitMEX. It's, according to me at least, by far the absolute best exchange out there on the global market for this type of trading. It's ranked as number 16 out of 536 different exchanges. It's founded 2014, and it trades the top 36 trading pairs, which means 2 different currencies as a pair. Has a daily volume of plus $700 million each and every day. And that also improves the possibility to create profit in the trading. You have the app connectivity and also the web connectivity. You can deposit into this exchange very simple and easy through crypto, fiat currency, or card. So it's very simple to deposit in here and start your trading with Swapo. To give you a little bit data about the Swapo bots, I will go through all 6 different bots, but I also recommend all of you go into swapo.ai, where you can find in-depth data and statistics. So the first robot, TT1, has a minimum deposit of $250 in Bitcoin. Performed by 2020, 902% calculated towards the USD. During the last 28 months, it's 2,405% up. The FN3 has a minimum deposit of $500 in Bitcoin, 790% in 2020. During the last 24 months, 2,674%. So it has really a powerful performance. The TT1 version 2, which is the upgraded software of the previous TT1. Minimum deposit is $900, performed during 2020, 941%. And over 45 months, 9,208%, calculated still towards the US dollar. The TT4 version 2, minimum deposit, $950, 723% during 2020, and 5,832% in 45 months calculation. FN3 version 2 has a minimum deposit of $1,400, still in Bitcoin, 1,205% during 2020, and 9,276% in a 45-month calculation. Why we are calculating in this 45 months, you will soon see in the presentation. The MM3 version 2, minimum deposit is $1,900, performed during 2020, 1,539%. And during 45 months, 11,110%. This is really, really powerful. And it also shows you that over time, exactly as Bitcoin grows from 10 cents to plus 40,000, over time, you will accumulate this precious coin of Bitcoin. So to give you just a hint, what this can give you during a 5-year bot trading, which means calculated in 5 years or 60 months, come into the system with 0.10 Bitcoins or 10 Bitcoins, why not? But 0.10 is kind of good. It's a good start. If we take the average out of all the 6 robots and we look after 60 months, what will come out? 9.7 Bitcoins. That's not so bad. If we then look on 1 Bitcoin traded over 5 years, taking the average from all the robots, it will give us 97.6 Bitcoins. But keep in mind, we have to pay the performance fee or the success fee from Swapo when they are giving us all these profits. So we're going to deduct that from the total result. So with 1 Bitcoin in, 60 months of trade, 97.6 comes out, but 63.4 stays with me. So tell me anything out there in the world market that can give this return. If we then look at on a current price of Bitcoin of around 50,000, which it was just previous before this dip that we are going into now, that will give me an asset value of 3.1, almost $3.2 million in 60 months. That's almost nothing in time, according to what we can create in profit. And with this proven track record, if we listen to all analysts that says that Bitcoin have a huge possibility to grow even bigger than 500,000, that will give us 31.7 million if it goes to 500,000. Kind of okay. You can't live on it, but it's pretty good start. You can help quite a lot of people with that. So if we look on the affiliate program, this is the one part that gives each and every one possibility to gain additional profit for everyone that we refers to use the Swapo program. That will give us, if we start with 1 Bitcoin in trading, it can be me, it can be 10 people with 0.10, or it can be 20 people with 0.05. That gives me approximately, with 2% affiliate commission, 1.95 Bitcoins. If the price still stays around 50,000, 97.5 thousand. Totally passive. If it goes to 500,000, it will give me almost $1 million. So just look at this and say, if you want to become a crypto millionaire, you won't be it tomorrow. But if you calculate it over time and say, okay, in the next coming 5 years, I want to be that. You have a huge possibility to become that here, because the system offers you the possibility to grow that. So if we look a little bit in deep on that, let's say on the first level, which is the direct people that I refer. Together, we collect 4 Bitcoins. And on the next level, which I will support the people to enroll other people, we create 6 Bitcoins. And in the third level, 64. If we look at that, it's total 85 people in the system and 85 Bitcoins, or 850 people with 0.10. That will give me, at the current course of 50,000, as we are calculating from that, $4.2 million totally passive. And if we listen to the analysts, it can also give me 42.7 million passively, just because I'm using the system and I'm recommending it to other people. So what is the benefits and why should we select to use Laetitude? It's an online and offline possibility. It gives us all the possibilities to work this. We can work this through Zoom. We can work it over WhatsApp, Telegram, in private meetings, one-on-one meetings, anywhere and everywhere, in the elevator, in the taxi, anywhere you want. And you don't need to have prior experience, because day by day, you get more and more and more experience and knowledge. It's the best opportunity, at least according to me, to increase your Bitcoin holdings. And now is really the time when Bitcoin is low, because accumulating Bitcoin today is really the profit of the next day. Extremely high quality of all the materials through our Vimeo channels, which I will also give you the links to, where we can find small videos exactly how to connect, how to open your API, how to open the account in BitMEX, and so on and so on. It's a very easy and simple system, and it's truly a global opportunity. Why Laetitude is so good? According to me, when I made the due diligence, not just that I trust my dear mentor, Mr. Udo, but also I wanted to see what stands behind this. It's a private equity company, 100% paid already, which means that company is not out there searching for my money to be able to launch their concept. No, why? Because they already have plus 100 employees in marketing, development, support, and compliance. And the compliance team is very, very effective and good. And they make sure that everything what we launch out is correct according to the global laws. Very successful management with a strong track record. And this you can also find on all the websites. 2017 was the launch of the softwares. This is the part where all the education programs started to roll out on the market. 2020, building up Laetitude and launch it. 2021, connection with the exclusive agreement with Swapo. After that, launched in plus 70 countries in less than a year. And Laetitude Academy, which is the education, already in 9 languages. Powerful, guys, really, really powerful, because it's always easier to read an education in your own language. If we then go into the part where we can be affiliates, this is absolutely free for those who want to do it. They can create an additional income stream on top of the trading profits. Compensation plan, it's a binary plan. It builds on direct referrals, which gives me 10% of anything that I make in sales from education packages from Laetitude. The binary bonus depends on my package. So 500 package gives me 7%, 1200 package 9%, 2500 package 10%. This is also one of the reasons why we say Founders Special is absolutely the package to go for. The matching bonus goes in 8 levels with compression. So it's 10%, 8%, 6%, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3. Very, very powerful. The binary bonus have a weekly cap, which means that maximum the binary bonus pays out is 20,000 per week. The matching bonus with compression is unlimited. And this is really a gold mine. We have an 8-star rank, so we can build this system up. And it's really built through the ranking system to support your team and make sure that everyone in the team creates an additional income. When you do that, you climb in ranks. The passive profit sharing program from Swapo is 2% for your directs, 1% for your indirects, and 1% from your indirects. And this is 100% passive, paid out to you monthly. But all the other commissions is paid out instantly, not to your back office as numbers that you have to request a withdrawal. No, it's paid out directly to your own wallet. The different links is, of course, Laetitude.com. This is where you can find the information about the education and how this is built up. Swapo.ai, this is where you find all the information about the robots, every single robot, and all statistics and data of the results until yesterday. BitMEX is the exchange which we are using. And of course, on Vimeo.com, you can find Laetitude and Swapo official. So this is the parts where you can really get high top class videos giving you the guidance exactly what you should do and how to do it. So thank you so much for listening. This is really in combination how we create freedom, wealth, and financial independence. I hope that I did this clear enough and not too fast for you to grasp everything that we were speaking about. And if any one of you do have a question, raise a hand or just ask. I will let everyone have the possibility to unmute, so you can just try to do it one by one, not everyone in the same time. So if you have a question, please go on, ask.